Right, so another little update. This is to do with automatic flaps. Using these cheap eBay motors, about 8 quid each. You can change the RPM on those. I've done a bit of machining, and now I've got automatic flaps. This is going the other way. Quite simple, really. Just involving a lot of brackets and a lot of machining. But that's all sorted out. Next bit. And this is how I control the open and closing. These will be on diodes. So basically, once it's gone one way, you can't give it any more feed. But it releases it to go this way. So it means that you can basically see that one. Try and do it so it's not out of the way. And that one. You can hear the clicking. And that's these are blades, bladed switches, so they can be, I can sort of move them around to get them exactly perfect. And that's how it works. That's my I don't know what you call those, flaps or whatever it is, electronics, all done.